What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Swell Shooter, and we are back with another POV drive. Today we are running some errands. Gotta go to Best Buy to grab something. Actually, I gotta grab two things from Best Buy actually, and I gotta go check out a location. A property that we're working on. So I go check that out, and what else? And buy some food. So we got three things to do today, and I figured I'll just bring you guys along for the ride. As y'all can see already, it's a lot of traffic. Look, it's a green light, and I gotta sit right here. Just so you know, the traffic is really bad. When you have a green light, you can't even turn. You have to stop. Do y'all like my phone case? Hopefully y'all can see that. So let's say I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. W phone case, man. Right there, y'all. Fast, y'all. It is a shorter way to go to Best Buy, but it's normally be a lot of traffic on that route, so I'd rather take the back route. Even if it's a little bit further, it's a lot more smooth of a drive to and from. So I'd much rather this route. To be honest, we're good to go. putting a little bit of pressure on the car now because it's up to temperature now, as y'all can see. And it took a while to finally get there, so. Kind of want to hit it on the straightaway, but there's always cops over here, man. Every time I come here at Best Buy, this spot right here is always wet, even when it's not raining. There's no way that they had a leak for that long and not fixed it. We are now here at Best Buy. What did I get from Best Buy? This thing right here, the charger. Like, chargers break so often. All chargers are gonna break eventually, right? But I think I save more money if I just buy an Apple charger once a year versus buying, you know, for $25, $30 once a year versus buying cheap chargers for $15, $12, $10 throughout the year. You know, like one Apple charger lasts me one full year, or maybe 13 or 14 months. It's a little bit expensive, $30 one time, but you save more money in the long run. So yeah, I just went and bought an Apple charger from Best Buy itself. And I went to go get this battery right here for a remote key fob, but they don't have it. So I'm here at Walmart right now trying to get that same battery. All right, y'all, so I just left Walmart. I did find the batteries, and also I got some juice. Got some juice, and now I'm about to go pick up some food. Let me know what you guys' favorite food to eat is. I'm about to go pick up some food, but it's not my favorite food to eat, but it's something that I do like eating. So drop a comment down below and what y'all think I'm about to go get right now. want you to let me know. Am I the only one that does this? I'll come to a facility or building or store or something, and I'll park all the way out. That way nobody can park next to me. I don't think I'm the only one to do that. If you do that, let me know in the comments down below. All right, y'all. The reveal is I got some Chinese food from that spot right there. If you know, you know. All right, y'all. This is gonna conclude the end of the video. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you made it to the end, please subscribe to the channel. It's free. It's not gonna cost you anything to subscribe to the channel and turn my post notifications on, because I'm gonna be posting a lot more POVs. And yeah, man, just like, comment, and subscribe. That's it. I'm gonna give y'all one more pull. Give y'all one more pull to close it out. Downshift, downshift. Yeah, ready? Downshift again. Here we go. Woo. All right, man. Peace out.